Welcome. In front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we will want to open up our settings, and from here scroll down to storage section. Click on the drop down right here and select the second option. So whatever it says for you, for me it says disk. Obviously you're looking for anything else apart from this device. And as you can see, this will then show you your SD card. From here we can click right here on these three dots. Let's just get rid of this. There we go, three dots. Select format. It gives you a quick message that format this SD card, the Samsung SD card, and doesn't need to be formatted. Ignore the first message, it's this one that matters. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. Anyway, from here we can select format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. Yep, there we go. So click on done. And that's it, the card is now ready to be used once again. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.